Tuesday, August 27th, 2024. What I got here is my, now what's going on? That battery thing keeps going off today. Battery backup, starting to lose it. Gotta get my plug here. Oops. What I got here is a plug for my welder, which goes in the wall there, but I got the welder out the door so I can actually use it. I got this black blanket over to help keep the air conditioning in. So I just got to shove some pillows or something around that, or get another piece of fabric to tuck around there, and snaps. Oh yeah, put some snaps on there. And then, yeah, that'll be all sealed out really good. That'll be awesome. I got the whole welder outside, which isn't like ideal. It's in the sun, but and I'm going to put up a little roof canopy thing out here too. So one step at a time.